Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be creating a side table slash vase. I'll be first starting off with 2 trash cans, and I'll be connecting them to this cylinder gift container that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to first be gluing the container together so it won't come apart. And I'm using my Gorilla Hot glue that I got from Walmart. Now I will be gluing this cylinder to the bottom of the trash can. And if you're not using the Gorilla Glue sticks, please make sure you are using E6000 or it will fall apart eventually. And I'm also using this glue that I got from my local dollar store. And after that is done, I'm just gonna add my glue. This is a glue that I got from the dollar store, and I'm adding the Gorilla Glue on top. And I will be placing the last trash can on top. And after it was done, I let it dry for a couple of hours, and then I spray painted it silver. Now I also got this poster board from my local dollar store, and I tried to find it on Amazon for y'all, but I didn't see any. So if I do find them in the future, I will link it in the description box below. I am so sorry. So I turned the poster board around, and now I'm going to pre-cut some strips, and I will be attaching them to the base of this vase. I'm gluing them on at a slanted angle, and then I am turning the vase around as I am gluing them. It's honestly pretty simple. Just make sure that your strips aren't sagging. Make sure they're tight, but not like too tight. And I'm just gonna go around and add the rest of my strips going with the same pattern. And as I'm putting on my last strip, I am just going to tuck it underneath and then just glue it on the end. And now I'm taking a strip of the metallic poster board and I'm going around the bottom, and I'm doing this to cover up the pieces that were showing. And I'm also going to do the same thing for the top of the vase. And this last part is optional, but I'm going to take one more strip and put it in the middle. You don't have to do this. This is kind of like putting on like a dress and then adding that last belt to like make those hips look nice. But you don't have to, but I like the shape that it creates. And it is complete. The last thing I'm gonna do is add a mirror on top. And this is for the table. And if not, you can always take the mirror off and add the flowers for the vase. I really love the both of them. Let me know in the comments which one you guys prefer. Do you prefer the table, the side table, or do you prefer the vase? And this table can also be used for storage if you wanted to store anything inside. Thank you all so much for watching. Please stay safe out there, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys the next time. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, please remember to follow me on Instagram. I am going to be posting behind the scenes, posting some of my products on there, and just sneak peeks of everything. So follow me on there. I'm going to eventually have a TikTok, and I'm going to be doing separate projects on there. So please remember to like, comment, and subscribe so you'll get those notifications.